Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload videos to Google Drive and share them. Remember that this process can be done in a computer or a phone. So first of all, we're going to look for Google Drive and then click on the first option. In case you don't have an account, you have to sign in. In this video, we're going to click on Go to Drive. In case you already have a file, you will see it here, and if you don't have any, it will be blank. Now to upload a new file, you're going to click on New on the left upper side. Now here we're going to have two different options. Well, many different options, but let's focus on these two. File Upload or Folder Upload. We're going to click on File Upload. This will open a new window, and here I'm going to choose this random video. Sharing videos through Google Drive helps you have access on any device and also helps on the storage space. As we can see in this video, this process is simple and keeps our video safe. Now that our video is ready, we're going to click on it and we're going to have these options. You can download the video and you can share the video. Let's click on Share. Here is going to open a new window where the first option is going to be write down the email of the person that you want to send the video, or you can also copy the link. Here we have general access like restricted or anyone with the link. With anyone with the link, we can choose if they are viewers, if they only can comment or edit. It let us edit videos or files online. So it is a very good option to save teamwork time. Also, keep in mind that you can upload videos, documents, and images and share them the same way as we did in this video. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!